So I've had this bar from PRx for just over a month, and in this video, I'm gonna share my thoughts and give you a full review. Hey, my name is Mike Behrens. I've been an independent professional wrestler for over 20 years, and I've had a home gym for over 10 years. But today, I'm actually at my parents' home gym to talk about the men's barbell from PRx. So at my home gym, I have a cheap barbell that I bought years ago, and I still use it to this day. For my parents, we have the PRx men's barbell, and man, I didn't know there was that big of a difference in how a barbell feels when you're working out with it, but just the knurling on it, the tightness of the bar, the spin of the bar makes a huge difference. I can tell that at my home gym, I'm working out with a cheap bar, and at my folks' house, it is a very nice, very high quality bar that makes a difference when you're lifting. The knurling on it is just enough that you can get a good grip, but not too much that it's gonna hurt your hands. There's marks on it for standard weightlifting as well as Olympic lifting so that it can be a great multi-purpose bar. For me, with my folks, it was important that they had a multi-purpose gym. I don't wanna just set them up for one use of their gym equipment. I wanna have as many purposes as possible, so having a bar like that was a big deal.
So let's talk about some details on the PRx 20 kilogram Olympic Elite Bar. It comes in at $299 with some financing options available. It comes in two finishes, bright zinc and black zinc. So depending on your personal preference, there's a bar for you. And PRx has some fantastic storage options for their bars as well as the rest of their equipment line. The PRx Men's Olympic Elite Bar is made in the USA, manufactured right in the Midwest. All the Olympic Elite bars feature a multi-purpose design that makes it great for a variety of workouts, so you're not pigeonholed into being an Olympic lifter or a power lifter. You can do a little bit of everything. The bar is knurled, pressed, and coated to the finest settings with the highest standards, has medium whip, light to medium knurl depth, and has both Olympic and powerlifting knurl marks, which makes it a perfect multi-purpose bar for your workouts. Specifications on the bar is it's a 20 kilogram, 45 pound bar. Total length is 86.5 inches. The sleeve length is 16.25 inches. The sleeve diameter is 1.96 inches. The bar diameter is 28.5 millimeters. The knurl marks are both for Olympic and powerlifting. The knurl depth is a light to a medium. There is no center knurling on it. The whip is a medium whip. The bushings are a dual bronze, self-lubricating. The sleeve finish is a pressed bright zinc. You can get two different finishes on the bar, a bright zinc or a black zinc. And the tensile strength is 190K PSI. And the bar comes with a lifetime warranty.
And honestly, I'm kind of a little jealous that my parents got a better bar than I do. So that's my thoughts on the men's barbell from PRx. If you want to pick one up for yourself, I will leave my affiliate link in the description. Stay tuned to the channel for more reviews on PRx equipment and tips on how you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthier. I'll see you in the next video.